How secure is your network really? Are you confident that your data and systems are safe from cyber threats? In this digital age, the importance of network security cannot be overstated. Every day, the frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks are increasing, and no one is immune. Imagine your most sensitive data falling into the wrong hands, or your systems grinding to a halt due to a malicious attack. The threats are not just technical, but they also have real-world consequences. Data breaches could expose confidential information, leading to a loss of trust and potential legal repercussions. System downtime can disrupt your operations, causing significant financial losses. And let's not forget the reputational damage that can come from a security breach, which can be devastating and long-lasting. We're living in a time where information is gold and its protection is paramount. With the stakes so high, it becomes imperative to implement effective network security. But what does implementing network security mean? Well, it's all about safeguarding two key elements: your network and the data that flows through it. Network security constitutes the measures taken to protect the usability, reliability, integrity, and safety of your network and data. Yes, it's about creating a secure environment where your data can travel without falling into the wrong hands. There are three major components to network security: hardware, software, and cloud services. Hardware includes physical devices like routers and firewalls. Software, on the other hand, is about antivirus programs and other protective applications. Lastly, cloud services offer remote security solutions, providing a virtual shield against threats. Each component plays a crucial role in forming a robust defense system against potential cyber attacks. They work together to create a fortress, keeping unauthorized users out while ensuring safe and efficient operations within. Understanding these components is the first step towards implementing network security. So how does one go about implementing network security? Well, let's delve into this process, which can be broken down into a series of clear steps. First off, you need to conduct a thorough risk assessment. This involves identifying potential threats to your network and evaluating the potential impact of these threats. It's like a health checkup for your network, identifying vulnerabilities and areas that need improvement. Next, define a security policy. This is a set of guidelines and procedures that dictate how your organization should protect its network and data. This policy should be clear, comprehensive, and communicated effectively to all members of your organization. Once you have a policy in place, the next step is to implement security measures. This is where things get a bit more technical. You might need to install firewalls to block unauthorized access or use antivirus software to protect against malware. Encryption is another crucial tool, scrambling data so that even if it falls into the wrong hands, it's unreadable without the correct decryption key. But remember, technology alone isn't enough. You also need to educate users about security protocols. This includes teaching them about things like creating strong passwords, avoiding phishing scams, and keeping software up to date. Finally, regularly test and update your system. Security isn't a set it and forget it type of thing. You should continually monitor your network for any signs of intrusion and regularly update your security measures to deal with new threats. To sum it up, implementing network security involves conducting a risk assessment, defining a security policy, implementing technical measures, educating users, and constantly testing and updating the system. It's a bit like maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It requires ongoing effort and vigilance. But the payoff is worth it. By taking these steps, you can protect your network and the valuable data it holds from the ever-evolving threats out there. Implementing network security is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. So let's keep learning, adapting, and securing our networks. What are the key points to remember when implementing network security? We've learned that network security is a multifaceted endeavor, requiring a holistic approach and careful planning. Let's summarize the key points discussed. Firstly, understanding the specific needs and risks of your network is paramount. Each network is unique, with its own set of vulnerabilities and demands. Therefore, a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't cut it. You must be familiar with your network's architecture, the types of data it handles, and the potential threats it faces. Secondly, having a clear security policy is vital. This policy should outline the acceptable use of resources, define roles and responsibilities, and provide a roadmap for dealing with security incidents. It serves as a guide for everyone involved in the network's operation and helps ensure consistency in actions and decisions. Thirdly, it's important to utilize a combination of hardware and software solutions. Firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, these are all necessary tools in your security arsenal. But remember, these tools are not a panacea. They must be properly configured and used in conjunction with other security measures to be effective. Educating users is another key point that can't be overstated. Many security breaches occur due to human error or ignorance. Regular training and awareness programs can help mitigate this risk. Users should be taught the importance of strong passwords, the dangers of phishing emails, and the protocols to follow in case of a security incident. Lastly, keeping the system updated is crucial. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and so should your defenses. Regularly patching your systems, updating your software, and staying informed about the latest threats and countermeasures are all part of this ongoing process. In essence, implementing network security is a continuous effort that involves understanding your unique network needs, establishing a clear policy, using a mix of tools, educating users, and constantly updating your system. Remember, the strength of your network security is only as good as its weakest link. So let's make sure there are no weak links in our security chain. So, where is network security heading? As we gaze into the crystal ball of technology, we see an era defined by the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These advancements aren't just for self-driving cars or voice assistants. They're revolutionizing network security too. Imagine systems that can anticipate threats before they happen, detect anomalies in real time, and respond swiftly to neutralize risks. That's the power of AI and machine learning. But it's not just about the technology, it's about us, the human element. We must remain informed and adaptable as cyber threats evolve. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the digital world, we must be agile, constantly updating our knowledge and strategies. In the end, it's a dance between man and machine, a partnership striving to safeguard our networks in an increasingly interconnected world. In the digital age, network security is not a luxury but a necessity. Stay safe, stay secure.